Hello, I am Mobirant. Firstly, there are two main types of steering tubes, straight and tapered. Please note that straight tubes can be used on tapered frames with a crown race adapter.
When replacing the front fork, the hydraulic brake hose may need to be replaced as well. Please refer to the brake installation video. Subscribing and clicking the like button will greatly help us make more videos. Thank you for watching.